off your videos. Naim Khan, off your videos. All of you guys, stop your videos. Stop your videos. Good evening to everyone. We don't require your videos. Try to stop your videos, all of you. Try to stop your videos. So today we are going to have 8th session. So till the time we have completed 7 sessions of core Python. This is session number 8. Right? Are you getting my voice, all of you? Are you getting my voice? Just respond in chat window. Whether you are able to see my notepad or not, let me write something. Whatever I am writing in my notepad, the same line you write in chat window. Right. So, right, over. It's okay. Now come back to our discussion. How many tasks you are completed? Yesterday I have given around 4 tasks. Just in chat window respond, you all the guys. As per you, how many tasks completed? Sir, I completed these many tasks. At fast. 4, 3, 1, 2, all are not completed, or whatever it is. The status I want. Your response is very important. Right. So how was your experience? How was your experience? How was your experience? First. Yeah. Now, coming to, are you able to? Right. Now, it's okay. Now come back to our discussion. We have seen some basic level programming. Now we are going for data types topic. The topic name is data types. Till the time we have seen very basic level concepts, basic level, right? Now in Python, data types. So generally, what is this? Topic name is data types. Data types specifies the type of the data. Data type specifies the type of the data. So do you know data types in other languages? Do you know data types in other languages? Right, other languages. Come on, fast. Do you know data types in? Can you tell me the data types of other programming languages? Can you list out the list of the various data types of other languages? Right. Okay. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Data type specifies the data. Now in Python, data types are classified into 3 types. In Python, data types are classified into 3 types. Number 1, fundamental data types. Number 2, collection data types. Number 3, other data types. So totally in Python, we have how many? Bhavani. Stop your video, madam. Balakati Bhavani. Right. Other data types. So in Python, we have 3 types of data types. One is fundamental data types. Number 2 is collection data types. Number 3 is other data types. Now let's discuss the first category, that is called fundamental data types. Are you recording all of you guys simultaneously? Right. I told to everyone stop videos. Jagadish Reddy, why you are open your video? Don't you know what I am telling? Stop your videos unnecessary. Why videos? Right. Fundamental data types. Coming to fundamental data types. Fundamental data types are classified are called as fundamental data types are called as primary data types. Primary data types. These data types are main data types in Python. They are main data types in Python. They are int, number 2, float, number 3, string, number 4, bool, number 5, complex. Fundamental data types are called as primary data types. These data types are main data types in Python. They are number 1, int, number 2, float, number 3, string, number 4, bool, number 5, complex. Number 5 is called what? Complex. Complex. These are the fundamental data types. Coming to int data type, let's discuss about int. Let's discuss about int category. Int. In Python, we have only one numerical data type. Only one numerical data type, that is int. In Python, we have only one numerical data type, that is int. That means if you take other programming languages like C, C++, or Java, for example, C#.NET, you have 8 numerical data types. They are sbyte, short, int, long, byte, ushort, uint, ulong, like this. Like this 8 data types we have. Are you getting my point? So in Python, we have only one numerical data type, that is what you know, int. Int. This data type represent a numerical value which doesn't have fractional part, which doesn't have fractional part, which doesn't have fractional part. That means this data type represent a numerical value which doesn't have fractional part. Right. Example for int. Example for int. That means in Python we have only one numerical data type. We don't have multiple, only int. Example for int. 10. Just you can say 10 or minus 10. This belongs to int data type. Okay, example. Or 10 or minus 10, or you write any numerical like this. This is all belongs to what is this? Numerical data type. Now, are you clear up to here, all of you guys? Did you understand? Did you understand, all of you guys? Did you understand up to here? And whether it is a numerical data, small data, or big data, positive or negative. Numerical data means only one data type. There is no confusion in other languages. We have multiple numerical data types, but to make programmer task easy, to make programmer lazy, they have given, to simplify the programming language, they have given only one data type, that is called int. Right, I hope you are clear. So this is a story about int data type. Right. So what are the real-time examples for int? So can you say real-time examples for int? You see, real-time examples for int. Real-time examples for int. So you take a data type called, for example, I'm opening Python code window. Just Python IDE I opened here. I'm clicking in the bottom Python IDE. So if anybody are attending today is the first class, you don't require to worry about previous sessions. my team will share you the previous session videos. My team will share you the previous session videos in chat window, as well as my team will share you the WhatsApp group links. You join in that WhatsApp group link. Anybody are there from our team? Hello, anybody who are there?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Jyotirmoy.
Jyoti, actually, every day in chat, you people have to share the previous session links. Suppose today is 8th session, up to 7 session links you have to share. Second thing is, every day you people have to share the WhatsApp group links. And third is, in WhatsApp group also, every day, first 10 days, every day you people have to share the Python installation document, as well as up to the day, the session recordings to be shared. Okay, now, hello? Because every
Okay,
day
sir.
there is a chance we may have new people, right? Now, come back to our
Okay, sir.
discussion. We are going to show this code in like what is that Python IDE. Just I click this Python IDE. I click this. Now you see Python new file. It's open Python IDE, open Python file also we open. Now I'm showing you. Are you clear? Otherwise, you can write here also in interactive mode also we can write this. We can check this. I open Python IDE. Here I am writing 10. Age, I'm sorry, age equal to 20. It's a real-time example. Take the real-time example. Whether you have a doubt whether it is int or not, type of age, it will show, Babu, it belongs to int only. So try to understand. So that we know, right? Type is a function which will return the data type of the given variable. Now, given variable is age data type is int. So now my concern to you, all the people is just write the real-time examples. Age equal to 20. Okay, similarly, ENO equal to, and that means employee number 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, so Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar number. Okay, so like just take this simple real-time examples of what is this int data type, right? I hope you recorded these three in your book. I hope simultaneously record your books clearly. All of you guys try to understand what I'm telling you. Record it properly. Yes, real-time examples like age equal to 20, ENO equal to 1, 2, 3, Aadhaar number, right? Now come back to our discussion. Recorded up, recorded up, recorded, right? Now see, I'm telling you, you can do a lot of fun outside, but whenever you are working for your career, so everything is should not be fun. For example, college time, 4 years you have a fun, but some subjects and some classes are very important to shape your career. Otherwise, today we are laughing towards others, but tomorrow total society laugh towards us. That is a problem. But that problem you will face one day, but that one day will not return back this day. Try to understand it. Everyone will face this situation. It will take this training is a very simple training. You attend a number of trainings in your academic, but some trainings will be having some landmark. Okay, so that type of that training may change your complete life. That type of language you are learning, that is Python. Whenever how it helps for our jobs are simply I tell you, whenever you prepare a resume to attend interviews, MNC companies especially will have a first round test. You will prepare your resume, but in your resume you should prepare one line: programming languages equal to what languages. Generally we mention C. Everyone will mention C, but for interior it is a common thing, but you mention as a Python, so it's an added advantage for you. And second thing is, I said first round is aptitude test, but second round will be technical round. In technical round, the first question is tell about yourself. The second question is which programming language are you comfort. Then you can say you will expect you will answer C, but you will never answer C language. You say you tell I am expert in a language called Python. So then what will happen? He will expect that you learn Python in academic in a simple way, but he will never expect that you spent dedicatedly 2 to 3 months time to learn a Python from some expert trainings. So definitely he will ask you some basic level questions only, but by seeing your answers, definitely the job is yours. even though your communication is not good, even though your percentage is not good, even though you have backlogs also, he will offer for you because they want programmers. They want programmers. They don't want 90% students. They don't want 80% students. They don't want gold medalists. What is the use of all these things? But end of the day, whether you have a gold medal, or you are a backlog student, or you are a BCom student, in company you have to write what? Programming. So that programming the company will expect as per my knowledge, with my experience, I'm telling you all guys. Right. Now come back to our discussion. This is about a data type called int. Now let's go for second category of data type, that is called what? Float. That is called float. Second category is what? Float. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Are you clear, all of you guys? Right. Understood. Marks will be useful for you in interviews up to 60%. Generally, MNCs will ask you 60% or 55 or above, like this. So that will be useful. But 80%, 90%, 99% marks are not that much useful. Maybe they'll consider, by as per my knowledge, 60 or 55, that is enough. But coding skills are very, very important. This programming skills also has to improve from the childhood only. In schooling only, we have to learn the programming. I'm telling to all you guys, just encourage the people to learn coding from the beginning. Right. Now come back to the second category of data type, that is called float. Float. Which data belongs to float in Python? Which data belongs to float in Python? A number which is having fractional part can be called as a number which is having fractional part. A number which is having fractional part. A number which is having fractional part. Fraction part, which can be right, which can be positive. Jyoti, can you or negative value? Jyoti, it can be positive or negative value. A number which is having fraction part. And whenever you find a student who are not of the videos, just stop their videos. We can have, as admin, we can do, I think, host. A number which is having fractional part, which can be positive or negative. Fractional part which can be positive or negative value. Example 10.5 minus 10.5. So this is what fractional value. Here you can say, right, like this. This is a fractional value. This is a story about float data type, right? Real-time examples for float. Real-time examples for float. Right, real-time examples for float. Right. So come back to our discussion. Real-time examples for float. What is that? Yeah, temperature equal to 36.5. This is a float data type. How can I know, sir? Type of temp. You see, type method will say it's a float. So that is a story, right? Understood, all of you? Are you clear, all of you? Hello. Real-time examples for float. Real-time examples for float, right? So what are the real-time examples? Let's write. Yeah, you see, temp equal to 10.5, and you can say height of a person, weight, right? These are all coming under float data type, right? Are you clear with this data type? Understood? Let me know your feedback. So these are the real-time examples. Temperature, height, weight belongs to float data type. We will never declare. In Python, the beauty is programmer doesn't require to declare. Programmer doesn't require to declare. Right? Are you clear? So are you following my class? Do I am going fast? Do I am going fast? Do I am going fast? Hello. Right. And do I am going fast? Just respond in chat window. Yeah, we have job guarantee programs in Python as well as .NET. Who are interested in MNCs, we can place you. Who are interested, you can communicate my team. Right. So now come back to our discussion. Let's go for third category, that is called string data type, str. That is called string data type. Now, which data belongs to string in Python? Which data belongs to string in Python? Collection of characters which is enclosed with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is called as string data. Collection of characters which is enclosed with single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes is called as string data. String data. Collection of characters which is enclosed with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is called as string data. Right. Over. Story is completed. Are you clear, all of you guys? Understood? Up to here. Are you clear? Right. Collection of characters means it may have alphabets or numericals, or it may have alphabets or alphanumerical or alphanumerical special. Right. Over. Are you understanding my point? Oh, right. Next, to come back to our discussion. Collection of characters. Alphabets are alphanumerical special, which is enclosed with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes is called as string data. Right. Next, A equal to. Next, A equal to. Right. So next, yeah, let me show you the examples. Examples for string data. Simple examples for string data. Right. So now I'm opening the code window of Python. Right. I'm showing you the simple examples of string data. You see, A equal to Rama, valid. It's a string. B equal to Rama. You can have like this also. C equal to Sita. Type of C, you have a doubt. String only. Are you clear? Now you take these three examples. So in triple quotes also you can have. What is the difference? That is not required right now. Unnecessary discussion right now. In this situation, it is not required. Don't ask that question also. I know what type of question a student will ask, whether it is important or not. Based on that, I'll respond. Right. Next, similarly, you can have like this also. Now here, student will have a doubt like, sir, alpha numeric. Yes, D equal to Rama @ 123. You can have no issues. Type of D, string only. Type of D, string only. Right. Right. Over. Right. Are you clear, all of you guys? Right. Babu, okay na. Hello. 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 Clear. Right. Now, yeah. Generally, real-time examples for string, sir. Real-time examples for string data. 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 Right. Real-time examples for string data. Emuntadamma real-time example. Can you guess? Generally, when we use string, generally, please come on. Name, person name. Name equal to Rama. Yes, string field, right? So email ID. Rama at the rate Rama 123 at the rate gmail.com. Email ID. Email ID, right? Hello, record. Right. Understood all of you. Hello. Right. Everybody are clear. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Email ID, name. Yeah. Next to come back to our discussion. Location also. Location equal to Hyderabad. 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 Right. These are all the real-time examples for string data type. Right. So many examples you can give now. Right. Next, we go for another data type that is called fourth category. What is that fourth category? Bool data type. Fourth category is what? Bool. Fourth category is what? Bool category. Bool. Right. So my concern to all the people, really, are you understanding the class or any confusion? Am I going fast? Give me the feedback. Or I'm going slow? What you are expecting? Let me know. Yeah. Give your feedback clearly, not yes, okay, no. I hate that type of things. Clear explanation. How did you feel? What's going on? Are you okay? Good. And are you understanding? I'm good. Understood very well. Not understanding. Confusion. Are you going fast? Are you going slow? Yes. Just express your feelings. It's you. I have a right to express your feeling when I am asking. Yeah. The way I'm going, if it is fast, definitely I have to be slow. But if it is you are saying so no, slow, no, never. It should go like this only. If it is you're feeling slow, it should go like this. If you are feeling it's fast, definitely I have to go a bit slow, no doubt. Fast I can go slow, but if you are telling slow, I cannot go fast. No, because different type of students will be there in the class. Definitely I should go a normal way, right? So now come back to our discussion. Let's go. Yeah. Coming to bool. Let's have a data type called bool. Yes. What is this bool? Any new students? Sir, today is my first session. Like that, how many are there? Today is my first session. Today is my first session. Sorry, there was a small small interruption because of network problem. Right. Now, are you there, everyone? It seems anybody left the class, Jyoti? Anybody left the class, Jyoti?
No, sir.
Yeah. Will represent either true value or false value. Will represent either true value or false value. Right. Will represent either true value or false value. Right. Okay. Are. యా నేను ఇప్పుడే లెఫ్ట్ చేసి మళ్ళా వస్తాను.
Yeah, okay, sir.
ఇడియట్స్ ఉన్నారు క్లాస్ లో. వస్తాను, మళ్ళీ వస్తాను. Right. Okay. There are some stupid guys are there in the class. Their target is always disturb the screen. So we have one option here, disable option. To do the disable option, actually we have to first share the screen disable. In between only they are trying to disturb the class. I was really wondering about that, how the people will have it. Like, so yeah, even though in my class also they're not getting interest to learn something means definitely in future they will cry one day. Right. Right. Okay, now are you clear, all of you guys? Yeah, right. The day, yeah, are you clear? Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. Now, right, let's start the right. Small interruption. Now come back to our discussion. We are discussing bull category. That is fourth one is bull. We know how to handle the people. Bull, how many thousands of people we have seen. Bull represent either true value or false value. Value or false value. True will be representing as binary 1 and false will be presenting as binary 0. Binary 1, binary 0 in memory. In memory, right. Examples for bull. Example for bull. Example for bull, right. Now we will see the examples of bull here. Observe this. A equal to 2. I'm giving some examples of bool, right? I'm sorry, I opened Visual Studio .NET. Now that is .NET ID. This is Python. A equal to true value. Yes, it will be stored. Type of A. So you can see it's bool, right? Sir, do it will print as 1. No, not now. It will store as 1 in the memory. Binary 1 as a memory. Right. Now B equal to false. B equal to false. Type of B. Type of B. B equal to false. Type of B. Right. So the like this. So this is a story. Now have you written all of you guys? Here you can see, even though you cannot say T size, T small. The word, it's a keyword. For example, you have written C equal to true. So it will give you error. You can see because it's error. You write error because true T capital should be capital, right? So written all of you guys, Babu, all of you written, all of you written up. Yes. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Recorded all of you? Yes. Yeah. Now this is a story about a data type called bool. And coming to complex data type we discuss in future in advanced Python. Right now it is not the right time. You cannot understand. Yes. So have you recorded examples of bool? Right. So have you recorded all of you? Yes. Now I'll show you again. Your recorded examples, I hope, right? Now, complex data type we discuss in future in advanced Python. So one data type is pending that is called complex. So this is a story of data types topic, data types topic. And we have to go for next to topic that is called typecasting. Typecasting is the next topic. So what is typecasting? We'll see. But before that, we have discussed 4 topics, 4 data types: int, float, um, right, int, float, string, and bool, right? Okay, right. So now the next topic is typecasting. Sir, what is typecasting? What is typecasting? What is typecasting? Answer. Typecasting is a process of converting from one data type to another data type. Another data type. Typecasting is a process of converting from one data type to another data type. Uh, Python Python will support following, yeah, collection data types all will be there in a next level. Right now we discussed only fundamental data types. Collection data types, if you want to discuss, first you need to understand the control statements. And a collection data type means collection of collections. Collection means when you want to fetch the data from collection, you need loops concepts. Loops, conditional statements, next topic. After that topic, we'll see the collections. I hope you understood, all of you guys. Right. Now, for basic level, right now, only fundamental data types is covered. Right. Collection data types is in future. Right. Understood? Right. Everybody are clear? Hello. Yes. Now, come back to our discussion. Python will support following typecasting. Following type. మీరు ఏం క్వశ్చన్ అడగొద్దు చెప్పి just follow my class and answer for my question. So there is no question from your end. Yes, simple. Right. Next, Python will support following typecasting methods. Following typecasting methods. If you want to ask any questions, you ask in your colleges what they are teaching. Right. Int of 2, float of 3, string of. Right. Next, 4 years engineering you can write a 4 lines code, but you will never ask any question to your college people. Right. That is your complex. Yeah, complex. Int of, float of, string of, bool of, complex. That means Python will support following 5 typecasting methods. One is int of, second is float of, third is string of, bool of, complex of. Right. This is a story. Right. Are you clear? Now come back to our discussion. Int of. What int of will do? This method will convert the given value into type. This method will convert the given value into type. Which method? Int of. Int of method will convert the given value into type, into data type. Example. You give any data type, it will convert it into type. Right? Example for int of. Example. I'm giving some example here. You observe this. Take the example. You see A equal to 10.5. A is what? 10.5 means 10.5 is what type? Float type. But you see, int of A, it will convert. Now 10 is what? Int type. So that means you see this one, all of you guys, come on, record this example. Right. Now 10.5 is what? Float, record, float, record. Record, all of you, record. 10.5 is what? Float. And 10 is what? Int. 10 is what? Int. 10 is what? Int. Right. Are you clear? All of you guys understood? Understood. Right. What is this observation? How it's happening? What's happening? Observation. Here, int of method is converting from float type to int. Converting from float type to int. That is a story about int of. Right. So that is the story. Next, example 2. Right. So what is the second example, sir? You can ask me. Right. Example 2. I'm showing you the next example. You see. Next example. B equal to. Yes. Double quotes 10. Double quotes 10 is a string type. String. I want to convert into int of. Int of A. Int of B. Now it's converted to 10. Yes. Now it's converted to 10. You see. Now record this example to all of you. Record this example to all of you fast. Right. So here you have to understand what's happening, sir, here. Right. I'm writing, you also write. Yes. What is this? Double quotes 10 is what type? Double quotes 10 is what type? It is string. This is string. And now 10 is what type? Int. 10 is what type? Int. 10 is int. Right. Are you recorded? All of you, are you recorded? Right. So what is observation? Here observation. Here int of method will convert from string to int. Convert from string to int. Right. Now example 3. Now you write this example, all of you. All of you fast. Now A equal to true. Okay. So now you see int of A. So it will convert into 1, binary 1. It will convert into numerical means binary 1. It will convert binary 1, right? So now you record this, all of you. And one more example. B equal to false, int of B, B 0. Right? Yes. So here, this is the output of this. Don't try to confuse, don't confuse. This is the output of this. Now you see what's happening, sir. You can write here. You see. What is this exactly? Yeah, you see, Babu, true is bull. True is bull. And 1 is what? Int. True is bull. 1 is. And here, B is false. B false means bull. Bull. 0 is what? Int. 0 is what? Int. 0 is what? Int. Int. Right. Over. Story is completed. Are you clear? Observation. This int of method, here int of method is converting from bool to int. Here int of method is converting from bool to int. Right. So this is the story. Right. This is a story about int of function. Now we go for tomorrow, float of function. Are you okay? Tomorrow we'll see the float of right, recorded. Have you done, all of you guys? Are you recorded properly? Simultaneously, are you writing? Respond in chat window. Are you writing simultaneously? Right. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.